Hello dear students, myself MD Nadim Mia. I am chemistry professor in Hausa PU Degree College Basakalyan. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about the preparation of alkyl halide by using the alcohol. So when alcohols upon reacting with thionyl chloride, this will lead to the formation of alkyl halide and sulfur dioxide gas and hydrogen chloride gas. This method is most preferred method for the preparation of alkyl halide or alkyl chloride, we can say that, because the byproducts are gases and they are easily escape out from the vessel or reaction container or the container in which the reaction is taking place. So they easily escape out, hence we get the pure alkyl chloride. Hence this method is most preferred method for the preparation of alkyl chloride. So this alkyl chlorides are prepared by the reaction of alcohol along with the thionyl chloride. We will get the alkyl chloride, sulfur dioxide gas and hydrogen chloride gas. They escape from the system. For example, if you look at the mechanism of this reaction, अगर हम इसका मैकेनिज्म देखेंगे तो इसका मैकेनिज्म हमको क्या बताता है, देखो, when we look at the mechanism of this reaction, so the alcohol in which alcohol is containing the oxygen atom that contains two lone pair, and we have the thionyl chloride like this in this way, Cl and this Cl. Now chlorine is more electronegative than sulfur, so therefore chlorine try to leave this side and it is a better leaving group. So therefore these lone pair of electrons are donated to the sulfur. Hence in this way it will form this kind of spaces in which oxygen acquire a positive charge and we have the sulfur double bond oxygen and sulfur single bond chlorine. Now here we are getting the minus of Cl minus, and this oxygen, what it will do, it will try to neutralize the positive charge by gaining this electron, and hence the chloride minus will abstract this proton. Hence there will be a formation of minus of HCl in this case. The HCl we are getting here, we will get here, and we have the R, we have O with two lone pair, we have sulfur and we have double bond oxygen, we have the chlorine. Again we know that chlorine is a better leaving group and it is more electronegative than sulfur. Hence it will leave from this side. So therefore sulfur will, what happens, the lone pair of electrons of oxygen is donated here, and hence oxygen again it will acquire a positive charge. So that positive charge is neutralized by gaining this electron, and hence it will form alkyl carbonium ion. So therefore this Cl minus, which is living from this side in the form of Cl minus, so that will attack on this R, and hence it will form RCl plus SO2 gas. Hence in this way we are getting the alkyl chloride, and we have get the sulfur dioxide gas, and we have get the hydrogen chloride gas in the byproduct. So you can see one more time, when alcohol upon reacting in thionyl chloride, alcohol containing the oxygen with two lone pairs, that two lone pairs are donating to the sulfur. Why? Because chlorine is more electronegative than sulfur, hence it is leaving from this side in the form of Cl minus. So therefore oxygen acquire positive charge, that positive charge is neutralized by gaining this electron, and then this Cl minus, that is chloride, will abstract this proton and it will form HCl, and it will form this kind of species. Again in this species you can see the chlorine is more electronegative than sulfur, it will try to leave this side, and hence this oxygen is giving their lone pair to form a double bond between the sulfur and oxygen. So due to that, this alkyl group will convert into alkylonium or slightly positive charge, you can say that, and that the Cl minus will attack on this, and in this way we will get the alkyl chloride and sulfur dioxide gas. So this is the one of the most important and most easiest and most preferred method for the preparation of alkyl chloride, because the byproducts are escapable gases. The gases which are formed as a byproduct in this reaction, that is sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride, they escape from the reaction mixture. Hence this method is most preferred method for the preparation of alkyl halide. Thank you so much.